Thank you for tuning in with me today. I'm just showing off my top 5 projects of the year. To start off with, we've got this beautiful green Irish lace crochet cardigan. This is one of the most intricate pieces that I have ever made. A lot of work. It took me such a long time, but I'm so proud of this piece. I love the double flower crochet motifs. As you can see, I'm showing off a 3D detailing pattern on this piece. It's very, very elegant, very, very delicate. However, it's so very heavy. It does fit like a dream. So much labor, and I'm so proud of it. I'm in the process of making another, but in a different color. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow me along with the journey. Here I am showing off the sleeves and all the detail that I've added in the sleeves. We've also got a belt just to help this cinch around the waist. And next up, we have my large granny crochet cardigan with belt and with pockets. This is super soft. I added a belt again to really cinch it around the waist. I've made it a lot more practical for me by adding pockets into it. This is really warm, really, really comfortable, and it's a really, really nice go-to piece. This was quite an easy knit, just quite straightforward because the granny squares are quite large. I have added a collar on the neckline, which I think just ties it all in because I do like wearing a lot of black. So I thought it makes it look a little bit more professional and a little bit more casual too. I have a problem with the sleeves now. The sleeves are far too long. I don't know what to do with these guys. So if you have any suggestions, can you please drop them in the comments? My next piece, which I'll just wait for it to pop up on the screen, and there it is. This is my favorite piece. I love the length of this. I love the colors that I chose to put this together, and I think the black really fits it in, really brings it together almost. I used black to put borders around this, black belt as well, black sleeves as well, sleeve cuffs rather, which I'll show off in a minute. And then we've got buttons on this as well. And this gives me autumn. It just screams autumn to me. I'm probably going to wear it with purple or even with black, but this by far is my best piece that I've made. This one I wear so much, and this one is probably the one that gets so many compliments each time I wear it. My fourth piece is my granny square skirt. This was a little bit of a vision that I had, and I thought, let me just roll with it and see what happens. I really like this piece. I made this with 4 times 4 equals number of granny squares, and I did run out of the cream colored wool, so this is the length that I kept it on. I did pop a border on the bottom of it. Now, I did have some back and forth with the banding at the top. I started with elastic. It didn't go too great, so we revert to a zip. Despite that, it turned out really, really nice and high fit. My last piece is a large granny square crochet blanket with a beautiful shell border. This lives around my body. This is a massive piece. It's huge. I think I just got carried away and thought, I'm just going to make myself a really, really large blanket. And I delivered. I really love this piece. I am going to be filming a lot of content, thinking of new ideas to bring, but a lot of these pieces I'm making them in different colors because I didn't record the process of them. So please, please, please do show support and subscribe, and I'll be sure to upload more videos. I am really new to YouTube, so guys, please support, as I said, and I hope to see all of you around. Take care. Bye-bye.